Hey, did you know you can watch my videos in any languages? Like Russian, Arabic, Hebrew, Indian languages, and many other languages on the list. Go ahead and try it. Guys, there's a plethora of orbs offer. Make sure to watch this video till the end to know how each of the orbs is supposed to be claimed. The first one is Perplexity Comet Browser Quest. Yes, the same one that gave 5,000 orbs and people questioned about its privacy policy. For this one, you need to download the app on your PC. Yes, it works only on PC. After that, download Discord PC app and run the quest there. You can't do this on mobile and browser because it doesn't track the quest. After that, just run the Comet browser in your background. No need to use it or sign in. This eliminates your privacy concerns. Even with the app running in the background, it will still track the progress, and in 15 minutes, you will receive the orbs. The second quest is from Microsoft Edge. I am sure you know that Microsoft browser that's there as a default browser in every Windows PC. Here you simply need to watch a video and claim your 700 orbs. For the third one, open Discord on Chrome browser and download Urban VPN extension or a VPN of your choice, and change the location to the United States and refresh your Discord page. As soon as you do that, you will get 5 nights at Freddy 2 Quest. This one is exclusively for the people living inside the United States because the movie or the game is releasing only there right now. So just watch the video and snag your 700 orbs. We have made 2,100 orbs so far just like that. But we are not finished here yet. Time to whip out your phones. Log into your account and you should get this news about orbs are on mobile. Watch this video fully to earn 150 orbs. Now go to your user settings. And then Quest section. Scroll down to find Claim 200 Orbs. I suppose this is exclusively only for the mobile users, or they are just advertising Discord Nitro, so more people buy it. There we have it, 200 orbs. In total we have earned over 2,200 orbs. This is no joke. Now remember, here's the reason why I add free Nitro in my thumbnail. You should be having enough orbs to get a 3-day Nitro from the shop. Just make sure not purchase more than one at the same time, because Discord has explicitly stated that the Nitro won't stack. If you want Orbs link, just join my Discord server. Go to Help Desk channel. This channel is under Main Chat channel. You can ask the bot where you can find the Orbs link in the server. She will guide you properly as I've trained her. If you want an AI chatbot helper too, just watch this video. Last but not least, you can join my Discord server if you want decors and layouts for your Discord server. You can see, we got so many decor channels like banners, PNG, and the list goes on. Come here and check it out for yourself. And anyway, if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button because it's completely free, and thank you so much for 12,000 subscribers again.